Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet in an ice cream maker. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients: fresh fruit, sugar, and water. Next, prepare a simple syrup by gently heating the sugar and water until the sugar fully dissolves. It's crucial to chill this mixture thoroughly, ideally for at least 4 hours before moving to the next step. This ensures a smooth, consistent texture. Now let's talk about the fruit. For the best sorbet, always choose ripe, flavorful fruit. Once selected, you'll need to puree your fruit until it's completely smooth. A blender or food processor works perfectly for this. After pureeing, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. This step is important to remove any pulp, seeds, or fibrous bits, ensuring a silky smooth sorbet texture. Before churning, make sure your ice cream maker's freezer bowl has been frozen solid for at least 12 to 24 hours. This is key for proper freezing. Once ready, turn on your ice cream maker and then pour the thoroughly chilled sorbet base into the running machine. Let it churn for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until it reaches a consistency similar to soft-serve ice cream. Don't over-churn. After churning, your sorbet will be soft. Transfer it immediately to an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours to allow the sorbet to firm up to a scoopable consistency. When you're ready to enjoy, let it sit out for a few minutes to soften slightly, then scoop and serve. It's delicious on its own or garnished with a little fresh fruit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.